welcome back to my channel. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Ukraine is targeting Russian soldiers who shoot at an occupied nuclear plant in the south of the country or use it as a base to shoot from. President Volodymyr Zelensky said to Saturday, Ukraine and Russia have started accusations over multiple recent incidents of shelling at the Zaporizhia facility, Europe's largest nuclear power plant. Russian troops captured the station early in the war. Every Russian soldier who either shoots at the plant or shoots using the plant as cover must understand that he becomes a special target for our intelligence agents, for our special service, for our army. Zelensky said in an evening address. Zelensky, who did not give any details, repeated accusations that Russia was using the plan as nuclear blackmail. The G7 group of nations have called on Moscow to withdraw its forecast from the power station. Ukraine's defense intelligence agency earlier warned of fresh Russian provocations around the plant while the exiled mayor of the town where the plant is located said it had come under fresh Russian shelling. But local Russian installed official Vladimir Rogov wrote on Telegram that Ukraine forecasts were shelling the plant. Ukrainian presidential advisor Mikhailo Podolyak assured Russia of hitting the part of the nuclear power plant where the energy that powers the south of Ukraine is generated. The goal is to disconnect us from the plant. They blame the Ukrainian army for this. Podolyak wrote on Twitter. The Defense Intelligence Agency said Russian troops had parking a Pion self-propelled howitzer outside the nearby town and put a Ukrainian flag on it. The agency also said that Thursday's speakers on the territory of the plant, which Ukraine says damaged water pumping infrastructure and a fire station, had been conducted from the Russian-controlled village of Fidian, about 7 kilometers east of the plant. Oil prices were little changed on Thursday as investors grappled with falling stockpiles in the United States, rising output from Russia, and worries about a potential global recession. Brent crude futures climbed 10 cents, or 0% to 93 a barrel by GMT. US crude futures gained 10 cents, or 0% to 88 a barrel. Price rose more than 1% during the previous session, although Brent touched its lowest level since February. Futures have fallen over the past few months, as investors have pored over economic data that has spurred concerns about a potential recession that could hurt energy demand. British consumer price inflation jumped to 10% in July, its highest since February, intensif- intensifying a squeeze on households. The oil market remains in a multi-year tightening cycle, BBC Capital's Mike Dan said. adding that investors are in search of near-term upside catalysts. China's refining output remained lackluster in July as strict COVID-19 lockdowns and fuel export controls curbed production. In Sably, Russia has started to gradually increase oil production after sanctions related curbs and as Asian buyers have increased purchases, leading Moscow to raise its forecast for output and export until the end of 2025. An economy ministry document reviewed by Reuters showed Saudi Arabia's crude oil export rose in June, while output increased to a more than two-year high. Data from the Joint Organization Data Initiative showed on Wednesday. Okay, maybe that's all from me. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.